In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up FFmpeg in Audacity. If you're looking to unlock more features for handling different audio formats, getting FFmpeg working in Audacity is the way to go. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily. First, let's begin by launching Audacity. You should see the familiar interface welcoming you. Once it's up and running, we'll navigate to the top menu. Here, you want to click on Edit. When the drop-down menu appears, find the Preferences option and give it a click. Alternatively, for those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl+P to get to the Preferences menu quickly. This will open up a new window where you'll make some important adjustments. Now that we have the Preferences window open, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see a list of categories there. Our interest today lies in the Libraries section, so go ahead and select it. Once clicked, the right panel of the window will present you with some library options. This is where you'll find information related to the FFmpeg library. You might notice it currently says Not Found, which indicates that FFmpeg isn't installed yet. But not to worry, this is exactly what we're here to address. To proceed, you'll notice a button labeled Download. Clicking this will direct you to the FFmpeg download page, which is necessary for bridging the gap between Audacity and FFmpeg. This step is crucial because FFmpeg expands the types of files Audacity can handle, making your audio editing experience far more versatile. As you prepare to download, make sure you're choosing the version compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or something else. It's always a good idea to double-check your current system before downloading to avoid any installation hiccups. Furthermore, when you download and install FFmpeg, Audacity should automatically detect it. Once it's installed, you can return to the Preferences window in Audacity to check if the FFmpeg library status has changed from Not Found to Installed. This confirmation means you're good to go, and you now have enhanced capabilities within Audacity. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to integrate FFmpeg with Audacity, opening the door to a wider array of audio editing possibilities. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful, making it easy for you to follow along and add FFmpeg to your Audacity setup. Enjoy the expanded functionality and have fun exploring all the new audio formats you can now edit. Thank you for watching and happy editing.